Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to check your guilds on the Cookie Run Kingdom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is your village or cookie home, and you can find different buttons. Go to the person icon next to the diamond at the upper right corner of the screen, and then you can see three options: the world, the friends, and the guilds. Click to the third, the guilds, and you can check your guilds. But you can I only see that I can clear crispy stage on different levels. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.